Hi, this is Joseph. It's a quick update here on the trades that we execute with the Trade Copier service, the best Forex Trade Copier service. We're looking at the euro dollar, and we went long the euro dollar. We're currently flat the euro dollar now with this particular breakout to the upside. And this, again, another winning trade. But the one that I really want to focus on, we're looking at the dollar Swiss. And I want to review the dollar Swiss because I received a couple of emails, questions about my trading strategy, my system, how it works, and how it could potentially affect your trading account if you use my Trade Copier service, which automatically executes all of my signals when I execute a trade onto your MetaTrader platform. So the question was, with the HL30, what is the size of the stop loss that you generally use? And with the HL30 technique, that's a technique that I developed many years ago, and I only use a 20 pip stop loss with the HL30 when I execute this trade on the majors. That's the euro dollar, the pound dollar, the dollar Swiss, and the dollar yen. Now, at the moment, we're currently flat this pair here on the dollar Swiss, but I want to talk about the setup and what's really involved. I always recommend using the 20 pip stop and the 20 pip target because if you do it correctly, it's going to keep you into the trade. And it does work. It works over and over again. Now, of course, you're going to experience an occasional losing trade. And one of the things that you can do to eliminate or to help eliminate some of those losing trades is obviously to get to know the trading strategy so well that you know when to use it and when not to use it, because there are conditions that are not appropriate for the HL30. You should be using other reversal type of strategies, not the HL30. Now, I have other reversal type of trading methods or strategies like the Tech 1 trade or the T2 pattern, and they sort of go outside of the parameters of the HL30. The HL30 allows me to use that very, very fixed stop loss and take profit level. So what I'm getting at is here, the question was, how large a stop do we need to use? Can we change it? And that was the question that I received. And no, I don't recommend changing it because I designed this trading strategy. I tested this over many, many months and years to make sure that it was going to hold as far as the stop loss placement and where to take profits. That's always one of the biggest questions that a lot of traders have is, where do I take profits? They might be able to see the reversal candle patterns, or they might be able to see the weakness or strength in certain currencies, but they don't know where to trade it to. And sometimes they hold too long and then they end up giving back profits that they earn. So with this strategy, again, we're only trading off of the previous day's high and the previous day's low. That's what the strategy is all about. And in this case, price closed at that rollover relatively closer to the highs for the day, the previous day, than the lows. So at that point, I just need to wait for price to approach the high of the previous day within 10 pips. And on that first candle right there, that's actually the very first candle at the start of the brand new day, which is 5 p.m. Eastern. It went up as high as 98. And the previous day's high here was the 00 number. So it was just 2 pips shorter, or 2 pips below. That qualifies for that 10 pip range for the HL30. That's step number 1. And then we get in and we have to wait for the reversal candle pattern, and then we get in on the close of that candle. And there cannot be any divergence here in the CCI. Here was my signal candle. Now this one took a few hours for it to actually start to unfold and work, but it's the structure. You put in a 20 pip stop, you put in a 20 pip target. If you're there and you can actively manage the trade when price starts to approach the take profit level, if something's happening like economic data, which very often will happen, it will be the fuel or the driver. It'll be the catalyst that moves price to our profit targets. And in some cases, we can earn 30 pips, 40 pips, even though we're still using a 20 pip stop loss. So don't change that stop loss. It really is like an on or off switch. You can almost set it or forget it, like the set it and forget it. I'm sorry, the set it and forget it strategy. That's sort of that mentality. A lot of people want to know where they can find the trades, where to get in precisely, where to set their stop, where to set their target. This technique works like this all of the time. And I execute these trades for all of my Trade Copier subscribers who are using this service. They get trades just like this. They got this one today. They got the euro. They get all of the trades that I execute, even on the breakout trades where I earn twice as much as I normally do on the HL30. So I just wanted to do this quick review and this quick update for those who still have questions about the strategy, because some of you really want to learn what it is that I'm doing before you decide to use the Trade Copier service and allow me to trade for you. So that's really what I'm doing. I'm using the HL30. Today was a perfect day for the HL30 on the dollar Swiss. No real continuation breakout trades just yet to speak of, but we'll be looking for those opportunities shortly. So another winning trading day. If you'd like to get results just like this, you can sign up today, right now, by going to the purchase page. It's a monthly subscription. You get to use the trade copier. You can use the trade copier on any account, whether it's a demo or a live account. It doesn't matter what size capital you have, $100 in your trading account or $300 or $300,000 in your trading account. It works just the same. I can help you personally install the trade copier if you need any assistance. And we earn over 10,000 pips per year for every subscriber who uses this service. So don't delay, go ahead, click the sign up button on the purchase page, and I'll see you inside the members area. If you like this video and you want to get more information about these trading strategies, please click the subscribe button so that you can get instant notification when I put up a brand new video tutorial. Or you can visit my website right now by clicking the visit my website button, and I have some free trading manuals for you and extra video lessons with some special discount offers to use my Forex Signal service that will automatically execute all of these trades for you onto your MT4 account.